Good morning. This is the Great Basin Fire Potential Briefing for Tuesday, October 4th. No significant impacts, warm, dry weather through the week, along with light winds, still some lingering showers in southern and eastern areas. We have those today on the left. Showers, maybe a couple hundredths of an inch to up to locally half an inch in the areas of green to yellow. I see the lightning there also from the Arizona Strip, parts of southern, eastern Utah, and into parts of southern Nevada. No new starts though. So again, lightning this time of year, really difficult to get new starts with the more moist fuel conditions, the longer nights. But it has been a dry week. You see here on the left, little to no precipitation across the western Great Basin. The percent of normal really shows it well, near 0% in the area. In red elsewhere, it's been a normal, moist early October period. Looking at our fuels, our 100-hour fuels, you can see them here in the gold. They have dried out quite a bit in the upper single digits, but above 10% in the yellow and then getting really high in the green as they get to like 15 to 20% or even higher. These are 10-hour fuels here. You can see them still dry in the west, down into the mid single digits, but elsewhere, even with the 100-hour fuels quite dry, the 10-hour fuels from recent moisture prohibiting any significant fire activity. Got high pressure building in, clear skies, a warming trend. The monsoonal showers being pushed out by this trough of low pressure for now. So for later today, there is our dry air mass in that tannish shade, high pressure building in, temperatures about 5 to 7 degrees above normal. So we see a warm up today. Dry humidity, of course, we do have the shorter days, but these are the only areas that are in the yellow here in the western areas. Otherwise, no issues at all. And that's where the driest humidities are, upper single digits to mid-teens, getting to far southwest Idaho, but winds overall on the left quite light. And that's what you'd expect under high pressure, and more of the same tomorrow. High pressure, high and dry, little change on the 7-day, little change on that humidity, drier in the west, more moist in the east. Light winds overall, more high pressure building in for Thursday. The monsoonal moisture starts gathering a bit of steam and starts pushing a bit further to the west and north. We'll watch it towards the weekend. But still, we see more drying and more yellow on the map, extending further north with low humidities, again in the western areas, pushing northwards into Idaho, but still above 20% across much of Utah. Light winds overall. 3-day precipitation totals, a lot of this in the first period. And then we'll be watching as we go into the end of the week that monsoonal moisture. You see that dark green? That's a lot of monsoonal moisture for this time of year, but the region's still under high pressure, warm and dry. You see the yellows expand on Saturday as the high pressure ridge continues, starts to break down a little bit. A weak trough low pressure, weak cold front. The monsoonal moisture starts pushing north, and you can see by Sunday the areas in green should produce showers and isolated wet thunderstorms in southern areas of Utah, the Arizona Strip, southern Nevada, even another area of moisture moving up the Sierra chain before high pressure noses back in by Monday. Maybe a stronger cold front pushing into our northern areas. Monsoonal moisture is starting to get shredded apart, but otherwise no real critical issues. 7-day precipitation totals and the 8 to 14 day shows the monsoonal effect still present in our southern areas of Nevada and Utah and the Arizona Strip, but a strong, drier than normal and warmer than normal signal for our northern areas, primarily Idaho and Wyoming. So again, with prescribed burning, that could be good unless it gets too dry. Still monitoring some team fires starting to clean out in that area, but this could pose a little bit of uncertainty there. This concludes our briefing. Have a great day.